Hey, come on. Stop it! Stop it! Oh my god, my blood. Get me out of this hell right now! Ah! Bitch! Stop! Leave me alone! Please! Roll it faster, please! Oh my god, I'm a monster. Please! Please! Stop it! No! No! Stop it! Stop it! No! No! Stop it! Stop! Please! Ah! What are you thinking, Goob? What was Goob thinking? Oh my god, that's stupid again. Oh my god. I'm dying because of this geesh. This is too much. I wanna get out. Get me out. By the way, on the first plan when I was not recording, I literally got so many jumping cables that I'm pissed off right now. See, I said I'm pissed off when I'm pissed off because see, I am. It's so annoying that I had too much of that. Please, not spare change. This is okay. Please do not give me another one. Please. I am literally pissed off. I almost died. I need more. You have to be kidding me! Whatever. I'm just gonna save these two, and then if I get three, I'm gonna use Imagine using 3 jumping cables in one machine. That would be like how V remote works. No, that is so good. Nah, there's nothing cool in this. I'm just gonna pause. What in the hell? Please. Please. Go. No. No. I'm dead. Please no more jumping cables. Thank goodness. Who would use the other one? I don't know why it's like this, but you know, is it? I think my lag. My lag. Oh my god. Oh, Tisha, you scared me. Oh my god. Wait, why did I not even realize I had a loud volume? I'm so stupid. Oh my gosh. Let me just lower everything down and everything will be fine. I'm not gonna even hear it. My gosh, please. Okay. Go, please. I'm trying to get to the elevator. A tape. I wonder if I get another one. Oh my god, that is such a good one. That is such a good one. But I'm not gonna use it until if I get others. I cannot help it. Like, what the hell? Alright, time to add sound. What? Are you serious? No! I hate you! I hate you so much! Can't. This ain't thing. Yes, sir, it is. Oh my God! Wait, what the hell? Boring. I want to meet Mr. Dandy. Why? Why would you want to do that? You still a one shot and then go to a complete machine. Like, why would you want to meet him? He's literally the final boss. I don't know if he. Why do? Oh, come on! It's. I want to meet Moonflower. Please, just the Moonflower, please. Why? This is a long run. Wait, isn't this a moment run? I don't know what that means. But these people are just created of runs. Time for gambling soon. Don't mind that. Wait, what again? Ain't no way! I got so much of this. Ain't no way! Ain't no way! Oh my gosh! I actually got it! Oh my gosh! I'm so happy! It's not. Well, at least we got twisted Bobette at the start, right? Right, y'all, right? We got Looney. And who else? Ooh! Stop it, please. Ouch. And two? Not the rabies kid, please. No. Done. Dang, I wish I would to get other items, but I can't even waste the jumping cables. Like, literally. I get so many. I got so many. Lloyd, no! I got so many jumping cables and literally. Y'all just don't. Why do y'all? Never mind. Anyways, what I meant is you guys already noticed when I was going chase, I just don't care about it. Like, and it's just practically normal about it. I can't help it. I just want to waste it all. Well, back to gambling, I guess. I can't help but waste it. We can't even give it a spare change. Like, why? Okay, anyway. Time to wait for the elevator. And Looney, get your giraffe neck out of there, please. Wait here. I'm gonna wait here until it opens. Oh wait, it actually. We got it. Done. Wait, what? Another one? I can't. I've stopped so many jumping cables. Oh my gosh. Please no more. Oh, come on. Please open. Open. What is it gonna be? And it's my first blackout. Great. Ah! It's the rapist kid. Get away. I'm at 1 heart. Please, please, save me. Save me. Save me. Save me. Save me. Save me. I don't want her. I don't want her. I don't want her. I don't want her. Please. I don't want her. I'm about to lose them. Please. Please, no. Thank you. So bad. Turtle, stop. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I literally wasted my stamina for that. Finally. Alright. Got it. What do I gamble now? I'm dead. If a twisted comes here. Oh, good thing! Why does Gigi have a long cooldown of that? Why does she even wait for her gambling? She doesn't, if she gets something good then I'm fine. And then she died. R.I.P. If I get in a corner, then I'm out. Or maybe not. Is there a machine here? I don't even know. I don't even know if there's a... Oh. So I died from Ruby, and it was a sad death. I hope y'all enjoy my video today. And I am guessing, why do you need to get Twisted Shelly for? Well, it's because... Well, it's because I needed to get her. And you want to know why, how much I got her? That's right, 99. Or maybe if you guessed it wrong, it's okay. But anyways, sad thing for Goo. Yeah, he is cooked. Don't worry, I'm going to be spectating him for a bit and then I'll leave after this video. Well, it will be a long time. Just waiting for him until he dies. I'm bored. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.